The next lecture is basic operational concept. Here, the basic operation concept is the what are the important instructions required and how instructions work in some important functional computers in a concept. Here we'll be discussing the basic operation concept of a computer. A list of instructions is stored in the memory. The and data to be used operands are also stored in the memory. Here, the memory stores information relevant to a task to be performed. Any information stored as a binary pattern of zeros and ones in every location sequentially. Here, the data, how to data and are instructions stored. The information can be stored. For doing any operation, the processor must get the instruction code. Hence, the first binary pattern read from the memory is considered as instruction. Here, if data are already present in processor registers, memory access is not required. A set of instructions that performs a task is called a program. The processor fetches or reads the instructions from memory one by one and performs the required operations. After computation, results are sent to the output unit. The results may also be stored back in a memory for further references. This was the concept developed by John von Neumann. All modern computers are stored programs concept for their operation. Any data to be used here, operands are also stored in the memory. Add a location to for the add location A or not here. This is add location to the stored in R not. This instruction adds the operand at memory location, that location A, this location A to the operand in the processor and R naught, and places the sum into the register R naught. Here any information the processor and R naught and places some in register sum into this register R naught. Here there are 3 points how this instruction is work. You have to discussing these 3 points one by one. The instruction is fetched or read from the memory into the processor. Here is important. Any instruction is read from the memory into the processor. The second point, the operand at location A is fetched or and added to the contents of R naught. Any location A is added to the contents of R naught. Next, third point, the resulting sum, the total resulting of sum is stored in register R naught. The any information the stored in register R naught, that is load location A and register R1. Add both R1 and R naught, both register R1, and this is called as how instruction will store in the memory of the operation. Next, the basic block diagram of the basic of operational concept, the interconnection between processor and memory. How to discussing of this important block diagram. For the important required for the, this is the MAR, MDR. MAR means memory address register. MDR means memory data register. And PC means program counter. IR means instruction register. And this R0, R1 are the contents of N general processor registers R0 to Rn-1, that is N general purpose register. These registers are used for the temporarily storing data and the results of the any computation. And next is stored to the control unit, and next is ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. This block diagram is called the interconnection between processor and memory. And this basic operation concept detail how the processor and memory are connected. The processor contains several registers along with ALU and timing unit, that is control unit. The instruction register here IR is there. This IR is there. This IR instruction register is called, this instruction register is called holds the instructions code, also referred as opcode, that is currently being executed. This instruction code is passed to the instruction decoder in the control unit, and then decoded generate the timing signals for different operations. And next is program counter. This program counter is very important use. This program counter is another special purpose register for instruction sequencing. It contains the address of the next instruction to be fetched and executed. PC contents are automatically updated during the execution of the instruction. That is, program counter always points to the next instruction. This very important use for this program counter, always points to the next instruction. The processor also contains the another is the processor also contains the n general purpose registers R0 to Rn1. These registers are used temporarily storing data and the results of the any computation. Two other special registers, this MAR and MDR. These two are the another two important special registers. Memory address register, memory data register are used to communicate with memory. These are the used for the communicate with memory. This holds the address of the memory location to the access, and MDR contains the data to be written into the read from the address location. These are the how basic operational, the just basic operational, what are the concepts to store the data for one point to another point. And these are the details how the processor and memory are connected. The next uh, processor is the next is how the instruction, how to execute the instructions. There are 5 steps, the important steps involved in the execution of the instruction. The first step of the instruction, how to execute this instruction of executing for this is here. The first instruction is this: the execution of the program starts by loading the address of the instruction into the program counter. What is that? The execution of the program, any type of execution program starts by loading the address of the instruction into the program counter. The second point, the execution of PC transferred to MAR. The address is sent out to the address bus. The address is sent to the address bus. What is that? Program counter. This program counter are transferred to MAR. The program counter, this transferred to MAR. Address sent out into address bus. Here the PC is transferred to MAR, and this MAR program address register is transferred to address bus. The third one, the instruction code. The third one is the instruction code. Next is the instruction code. This instruction code is decoded to decide about the operation if the data is needed. If the data needed for the operation is already available in the general purpose register. The point number 3, any type of instruction code is decoded to decide about the operation if any type of data is needed, operation already available in the general purpose register. The fourth steps involved in the execution of the instruction is if the operands reside in the memory, then the respective addresses are sent from the MAR to memory and data are read into MDR one by one. That is memory data register. From MDR they are passed directly to the arithmetic logic unit as per that block diagram. If the result is to be stored in memory, address of the memory location is sent through the MAR. A control signal is issued and then the result is stored in the memory. What is the final is a control signal is issued. That control signal is this. The control signal is issued to the memory and to the stored in memory. This is the important basic operational concept of a concept of a uh, basic operation concept of a for between the processor and memory.